times my clients ask me, what color should I paint my walls when I'm getting ready to put the house on the market? So hopefully this video will be helpful to you if you are considering putting your house on the market. This is Noune and Boston area homes. In this channel, I talk about real estate and I talk about Boston and the suburbs. So if it's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. Of course, everybody knows that neutral colors sell. Even if you always had your daughter wanted a pink room and every room is different color, when you are getting ready to sell it, it's a great idea to paint the whole house either the same color, which will save you money, or choose different tones of neutrals. It used to be that beige was the best color for that, and in the recent 10+ years the grays have been very popular. You can go to greiges or whites. Everything that is off-white looks pretty modern. When you paint the walls in neutral colors, it's very easy to add accents. Like in this room you have red accents, a dark gray sofa. It just works beautifully. Even if your buyer doesn't have a modern taste, they don't like contemporary designs, when the interior of the house is in modern style, it looks fresh and new and it sells. Look how beautiful yellow accents look with gray. Isn't this great? A fresh natural paint color will brighten, lighten and uplift the whole place, making it look clean, current and fresh. Plus, it will not break the bank, especially if you can do it yourself. A few things to remember when going for a warm gray color that is not super light is when painting the whole house in this earthy grayish color, make sure you stay away from too many beiges and browns in the trims and accessories and use cool tones like turquoise, blue and burgundy. The earthy tones of this paint color make it perfect for the whole house. Depending on the light and the surrounding furnishings, it might look more warm in some rooms and cooler in others and might change shade according to how much light and sun it gets. This color is very light grayish, more like a non-white neutral color. This color, Balboa Mist, I used in my recent listing. It's a feathery light gray color with a slightly warm cast. Not really grayish, but it's not pure gray either. Dove White is a very warm, creamy white. If you paint your walls that color, make sure to include the trim in the same color. Otherwise, white Dove looks completely yellow. And here are a few cool colors. Benjamin Moore Moonshine, a very light and neutral color. It has greenish bluish undertones, so green or blue accessories will bring it out more. Benjamin Moore Gray Owl is a light gray with cool, crisp blue undertones. You can use it anywhere. And Chantilly Lace is a nice crisp white. I have used these colors in my home for trims and doors and windows. So what do you think? Would you paint your house in a cool gray or warm gray or white color when you're getting it ready for sale? I hope you subscribe, like. All my contact information is in the description box below. And watch my next video about how to prepare your house for sale, decluttering.